Alright, what is up, guys? In this episode, we're going to be mapping out the functionalities on the pages that we have in our app, right? So, what I'm on right now is called MindMub. I found that online. All I did was go MindMub, and that's how I found it. And you don't have to, you can just get started like right then and there. You don't have to create an account. You don't have to log in or nothing like that. You can just go to get started, and it'll take you to this page to create one right online. So um, I got this block here. So the main source here is going to be our app, right? And then we're going to have to build out what's going to be connected with it and whatnot. So in our app, we would have, I can just push tab, and then it'll open up a new little connection to it. So this will be the EverNote. Call that EverNote, right? And then I'm going to tab on this one again to create another connection to make this one the login, like that. Create another connection for the register, because I think I want to have them separately. Yeah, and these are representing the pages, like the main EverNote page, the register page, and the login page. So that those are the connections to the app. And the functionalities that we have on the actual EverNote page, we got the list and the sidebar, right? But the functionalities in that is the add note. I know one of them is add note, so we can go add. That's one functionality to it, right? Tab here for another connection. Another connection, another function would be to delete a note. So we're going to add that in there to delete a note. Another functionality would be to, now that I'm thinking about it, would be to filter, sort the notes. So sort notes by basically, we can sort them by the well, how they have it. They're sorting it by the time. Let me log back in. So let's see. Right here when we have like the sort options, updated. Okay, so we can sort by the titles, or we can sort by the date that's most recent. So least recent. The longest hours would be the ones that we created recently would be at the bottom, and the oldest ones would be at the top. So basically, we can create it by the date. Yeah, basically. Sort it by the date, or we can sort it by the title. So we can say that. Date or title. Any other functionalities in this area that I actually want to implement? Oh no, that's nothing. Oh yeah, the tags. I don't know if I want to implement tags. Probably not. But these three are good to start off for now. And then some functionalities for the register. We're gonna have a oh yeah, that's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have the errors, right? Because this is gonna be the error section for all the errors that happen when we register wrong. And then we're going to have another one for the success. Alright, now for the errors. If there is an error, it's always going to render new register. It's going to be like wrong credentials type errors here. I'm guessing wrong credentials. Yeah, if I believe it's like errors, not to be too specific, I probably should be like more general. So I'll just say all the possibilities. Wrong credentials. I don't know if I spelled that right. Probably not. I didn't spell it right, did I? Credentials. There we go. You overall just can't log in, right? You can't register. No, not wrong credentials. Yeah, that's one option of an error. User already created. Already. This is, say like try logging in, something like that. Those type of errors. Now the success one functionality would have user already exists, because if you try to register, no, this is, I'm doing it wrong. I'm thinking of errors on this one. No, if you are successful, then log in. Then access EverNote app. There we go. Alright, so now the login, I think that's about it. Yeah. For the login, it's gonna have errors. This login have errors. And same thing, success. And then for the errors for the login, that's when I'll say the user already exists. So user already exists. If you type in the wrong credentials, of course I spelled that wrong. Not a great speller, not a great one. There we go. Okay, so wrong credentials here, and then what else will be error? User already exists. Wrong details. There's another one. Until I think of one. That should be good for now. Until I think of it. Let me go to success, and maybe it'll come to me once I'm doing this one. Okay, if you're successful, then you can access EverNote app. Okay, that's if you did everything right. You can access the app. Yeah, so that's kind of like how the functionality of our app is going to be, how the flow should go, Let me put this over here spread that out a little bit so I don't get confused. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we got so far. That's what we're working with. And I'm pretty sure if I think of some more, I'll um I'll add some in, and then you guys will see it in the next video. But for right now, this looks good for a starting point on the functionalities of what we're gonna do. I didn't get too deep in it because then, you know, we'd be in this all day. But yeah, those are the main ones I wanted to jot down and get that on there so I can visually see each area. And we're gonna work on each area by each connection. We're gonna work on each one and get those down. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do in this episode. And I will in the next episode. I'm not sure what the next one is going to be about. I think the next one we're actually going to start getting the project going in code wise. I believe that's what the next episode will be. If not, you guys will know once I upload it. But yeah, we'll see for next. We'll see for that. We'll see for that part. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this one, and I will see you guys in the next one.